Shubun nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Bobita Sharma kabadai ka media coordinator jong ko All India Congress Committee kalaong baka jingong jong menteri rangba ka jela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma bakam don kano ka jing sha thombor jong ki reungai Kristan ha Assam bat baka jela Assam kadai ka weni ki jela ka badanya ka shongsuk shongsan nakaliang ka Bobita kalaong baka ni ka jingong jong Himanta kamdei ka basisha namar dangshen kaladon ka jing sha punjulor jong ki yeng mane hapo Assam Habakren cikilat pathai khubor menta ka sngi ka arpulai teri kubnai rempang arajar arpulai ha Kongres Bhavan nakaliang ka Dr. Shama Muhammad kabadai ka nong aiktin jong ka AICC kalaong ba ka Jingeh sya siat yap jong ki sangut ki mensem brew ha mukro kadai ka AKA ka Jingeh ka bempat jujia bat ki Jingeh ya siat ka wei ka jela hapdeng ka wei pat ki badan sya ka than cha taila mi ngi jong ka ri kam juda kham don satya ha ki por ki ba menshwa But kum gini ki Jingeh ki jian namar baka sorkar BJP kamle ai de kapating yang ki breu ki badan keti. Habakli halor ke jingkam jong menteri rangba ke jela u Conrad sangma ba ke seng NPP kan sawan biang ha ka bor hadin ke jingpen bena ye ke result jong ke election hapo ke jela nakaliang ke Dr. Shama kalaong ba u Conrad sangma ula ban kamkat ba umon Hynrei ki Paidbah ke jela kilang Ngiah bat kila sya Jingeh Shama palat hapo ke jingelam jong ke sorkar MDA.
We will definitely investigate these cases for sure, and we will see to it that whoever is behind is convicted. Definitely there will be investigation. The Congress party is very clear that they will investigate all these corruption cases.
Coming to the attacks on the Christians, the Assam Chief Minister on his campaign here in Shillong, he had claimed that there is no such attacks on Christians in Assam, and he has said that Assam is one of the most peaceful states in the country. What do you have?
Okay, I would like to reply to that because recently there was an attack on churches in the Siran district, if you're aware, which was not very far off. It was very recent, in fact, which has been shared in social media as well. So it's not true that there has not been an attack on churches. And also there was this letter going around to do Christian profiling. How many churches are there in the SP is sent out to the districts to find out how many churches are there in different districts. So if these are not attempts to undermine the Christian community, then what is?
One more point I want to add, digressing a bit. We have never seen border disputes like this, like Assam police being shot by Mizoram, Meghalaya people being shot by the forest guards of Assam. We have not seen such things before. You see the border issues happening amongst the northeast states where the BJP is the bigger partner in some of the states. So they are having alliance with most of the local government there. But here we are seeing killing of policemen from one state to the other. The people of Meghalaya, remember those villagers were killed the other day by the forest guards of Assam. So what is happening? Why is the central government being under the BJP? Not taking firm action on these things?
I'll just summarize a few things on your questions. The teacher's salary, we all know that the funds have been diverted. So where has the funds been diverted? The funds got diverted, which became as the corruption scams which we are listing it out. The government's funds were utilized for, misappropriated for other things. With respect to your other question on the Assam thing, scheduled tribe status of the Christians is to be removed. It came from an RSS organization in Assam. So what is the peace talking which Assam people are doing, which Assam CM is doing? So all these are lies on the face of the people. We are clearly saying that with respect to the facts established, the Congress party stand on anything and everything is based on facts and realities. There will be investigations on the scams which you have listed out, and the guilty will be punished in accordance by the law of the system. That's where we stand on these things.
He had claimed that the NPP will, bounce back to power after the upcoming polls. What do you have to say?
Well, he can say whatever he wants. He's saying that he will bounce back to power. But the people of the state have suffered under the alliance between NPP, UDP and BJP. As he just now mentioned, and I have mentioned, the corruption cases, teachers' payment, all those issues where there is so much of price rise, where we are also giving LPGs, if I'm not wrong, quarterly in a year, free LPGs. Single women are getting 3,000 rupees. 200 units of electricity will be free. BPL families will get a roof over their head. Girl child will be educated from kindergarten to the 12th grade. So all these things, teacher salary on time, pension for journalists. So all these things are what the Congress party promised in its manifesto. I'm sure that they will definitely do these things. And also, I can see here minimum support price for the farmers. So, and policing, I think it's one of the big problem. I heard the ladies having a lot of problem with the policing here. And that also special urban police force. So all those things which have been promised in this manifesto will be done by the Congress, because why are we saying it with so much conviction is that when our government was in power, we have done these things. Whatever we have promised, we have always done it. So as you know, that this is a government or this is a party which likes to subvert democracy. So we are there this time very aware, and I am telling you today that the Congress party will come back to power in Meghalaya.
Kapor dingha Meghalaya kalipman kapor Congress ka kular bandung du bor dingha nong kendong ni hasar.
Five commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Vote for your 5-star Meghalaya. Vote for Congress.
Meghalaya, ka jingsngan ha ka imlang salang, ningkong, baro ki jingeshan by BAM, lingba ka social welfare, ansa kentiu siya ka siya jating ka shibenay, kata kalong kat jating ka shisnem.
Hakane ka apnyo trek urumpang, Shanya ka sap jong pi haki artli ki sentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TNC.